Hey there, it's Jess back with video number 4 for our text training as you get your business off and rolling. And I hope things are going well. Remember, I'm always here for the goods and for the hards. So I've been there, done that on all of it, and I'm always happy to be a listening ear, to answer a question, or celebrate a victory. And so don't hesitate to reach out, whether it's by text or Facebook message or Voxer. I did fail to mention that app when we talked or in our video prior. That is an app that I absolutely love, and I wanted to bring it up. It is on the phone, and mine is actually favorited down here, Voxer Walkie Talkie. And what it does is allow you to verbally message someone privately or in a group. But you know how there's sometimes like it's just too much to write. Like, how do I write all of this? You can go into Voxer and just talk for 15 minutes if you need to. And so if you're in a busy season or it's a work day, but you have something you want to get to me, you can Vox me and I Vox back. And you can forward a Vox training message. Like, it's wonderful. So Voxer is another app you can use as well. But don't hesitate to reach out. So today I just wanted to mention something you've probably noticed and maybe going, what is that? In our Facebook group, every Monday or Tuesday, my assistant will post the wins for the week. And those are just small victories or maybe huge ones that you experience in your business from week to week. So I try to send a text out on Sundays to collect them, but feel free to send me the wins anytime. When you have a win, a victory, send it my way. I love compiling those. And a win might be getting a booking with a new person to meet with. It might be doing one of your pearls of sharing. It might be having a sale. It might be that you sat down and did your weekly plan. There's so many things, and depending on your journey, you're going to have unique wins. It might be that if someone joined your team, or that you have a record of number of sales or something like that, or profit. You use your profit for something. That is not bragging in the Mary Kay world. That is encouragement, because we're all here to benefit. And so I want to draw those out so that you take note of your victories, but also so that our team can celebrate those victories. And you're going to give hope to a woman who may be having a rough day, or she's brand new after you've been in a few months and she's going, can I do this? I don't know. So when you share those victories, you are literally lighting a fire in someone else. You're encouraging her, or you're pushing her to continue. It's fun. And so I want to invite you to send me your victories anytime you have them. And to also, if you forget to send them, respond to that text message that comes each Sunday with, what were your wins? What did you sell? How much did you profit? Any of that. We would love to hear, and we want to celebrate with you. So that's what I got for you today, is just explanation of what the wins are. There are specific wins, like big stuff the company honors, and we'll get into that in the new consultant training classes. But the overview is weekly wins are fun celebrations that we get to do together, and I would love to hear from you.